Okay, so I just want to explain the daily profile of today's trading day in the Euro USD. So, uh, well, I would like to introduce some concepts that I'm going to talk about today in order to make this entry. Um, so first of all, we begin the day with an ascending channel in Tokyo. Then we broke lower here, Frankfurt stock exchange opens, and at the London opening, we have here an opening above the 50% level on the Frankfurt range between the Frankfurt Opens and the London Open. So, what does this mean is that an open below the 50% level here below. So this means that we have a divergence between the Tokyo sentiment and the sentiment that was produced on Frankfurt Open. So we have a bearish sentiment here and a bullish sentiment all over the Tokyo session. Then we took out the low made in Frankfurt. Then here is a fractal from the daily chart, and then we break lower, 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 lower. Here we consolidate, make a consolidation, and we enter to the European launch, the first European launch. We just made a descending channel that was brought to the upside on the other part of the European launch, leaving some launches ups below. Then we have some equal lows that let's say that traders just watch the reaction when they come back from their launch, and they say okay, some resistance, so it makes a higher high, breaking also these launch stops of the buy side, the buy side part of the range of the second part of the European launch. Then what we have here is that what we expect explosive movement to the upside, and then we wait. Uh, we get a new release at 8:30, so we can expect that the exhaustion of this upside movement is gonna be around there, or a continuation to the downside if the movement to the upside just exhausted before the new release. So what we got here is a break to the upside, another consolidation, another break to the upside. This candle is just way too big, so at that moment I thought, and also I identified this level that it was a fractal that makes confluence with um, an area of high volume. So I marked that. Also, today is a day of compound manipulation, so uh, I would expect to price to respect areas where price was well delivered. So then we what we have is that we go higher, we break um, this level with the bodies, and then we consolidate above here. I was trying to entering, thinking this could be a mohawk of this level, but it wasn't. It consolidates a little bit more, so I just wait. I get stopped out twice, so yeah, I enter with two positions. My maximum lot is 5 positions of 75,000. So I entered with 2 positions here. I got stopped out. So and then we break lower here, And at the time I start seeing that we start respecting this. If you see it, the price jumps from here to here, so this is a gap, right? So it's like a fair an inversion fair value gap, but with the concept of a gap. Then this, let's say, inversion gap was respected. I start to accumulating positions, accumulate here, 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 and in this candle, it was a pretty good opportunity to accumulate more positions. And then it broke slower. I thought that before the opening bell, we're going to see the price running to the launch stops, but here you can see this algorithmic price action that it just um, didn't want to, because it's going to be here near to the Frankfurt close. So what we had is that we go back again. I also expect that this would be the maximum of the day. Well, not of the day, but for the New York session. This was, I call this the pre-opening session. So the pre-opening session does here in this opportunity the maximum of the day. So I expect that. Anyways, I have to take out my position to enter to on a better position later on. So minutes before the opening bell, I start looking that well, this level is starting to be respected, and also this auto block. So I decided to enter long here, to enter short here and here, because I expected to be respected. So I was trying to trade to enter the five positions on the on a mohawk. So like on this little mohawk here, I expected to enter here my position. Then it goes down, it breaks up again, and I expected an squeeze type of scenario where it goes lower, and here it was the new release. Sorry, um, here it was the new release of, I think, new home sales today. So I was expecting to take out the New York traders, the breakout New York traders from the opening, and so I just took out again my position, and I wait to price give me signs of going lower again. Once again, price respect once more this order block, as is the order block that marks the max of the session, and it goes lower. So I saw here how we start respecting again this level. So I I was looking at another screen. So I wanted to enter here, but unfortunately I enter here with one of my six positions. Then I was thinking like, okay, now I'm going to enter on this auto block, but unfortunately this candle was very energetic to the downside. So I thought to myself like, okay, this is gonna be a really energetic price action. So when it goes up, I try to buy the mohawk on the consequent encroachment of this inversion per value gap, but well, price moves like really fast to the downside, and I have to bought it right there. So the final position was over here. It goes down. I made this projection. Um, this was the breaker. This is the breaker. The breakaway gap. The breakaway gap. Well, I think I don't have much time to explain each PD array uh, here, but well, anyways, I expected a projection of 200, um, this range. So well, by the time it's, I think it's gonna go well. I'm planning to take out the final part of my position here. But anyways, I enter on the inversion fair value gap. It goes once again. Here I was looking at the DXY that, well, the instrument or the currency that is the laggard is gonna be the strongest on the rest of the day. So USD was the laggard. Goodbye me. And I was looking that the XY was doing higher highs, while Euro USD was doing also higher highs. So I just say like, okay, uh, let's chill out. I thought that, well, if I wouldn't like have a full size position yet, I could add some more at the consequent encroachment. Then it touched the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, and it breaks lower again and again and again. Here, I took some part of my position as a price took the launch stop somehow. TradingView managed to don't take out my order. I was trying here to take out on the Mohawk. So when I realized it, after pink, going to the bathroom, to the restroom, I had to take out that partial immediately. It goes lower and lower and lower. When it um, begins to go to the 150% of the projection, that is an extremely discount terrain. I took out another part of my position, exactly, mostly half of my position. Here, I took another part of my position as the launch began, and launch could be two things: an expansion for later, maybe the another day or the next week, reclaim of that price level, a stop hunt, or just a complete trap. So after the launch, price is gonna go to it's gonna break to the up to the buy side of the launch range and to the sell side of the launch range. So I decided to take out another part of my position here, here, and then we are here over here. Expecting that we just complete the entirety of the range. Also, I was expecting. I was not expecting to broke lower this fast. What I was forecasting for this day is that uh, these launch stops were taken by the Frankfurt close, because was the stops from the from the London session, from the London launch. So I was expecting for it breaks here, and also I was looking at a phantom trend line here. So I was expecting for this phantom trend line to be broken uh, to the downside as an exhaustion signature on the launch of the London, on the New York launch, but this wasn't the case. So well, this is the reading on my price action that I did today, and I hope you enjoy it. And well, be safe, as ICT would say. Good luck and be safe.